Class 1, Worksheet 11. Donny's birthday party.
Look at the pictures. Discuss them with your partner. Also, find out whose birthday party it is. Now, listen to the recording to find out the gift Donny did not get. Circle it when you find it. You will listen to the recording twice.
It is Donny Dog's birthday party. He has invited his friends to the party. Mrs. Dog has baked a cake and made sandwiches. Donny's friends get gifts for him. Minnie Bear is the first to come. She gives Donny a drum with 2 drumsticks. Then comes Mickey Monkey. He gives Donny a frisbee. Jimmy Zebra and Shilpa Sheep come in. They give Donny a ball and a box of chocolates. Chitchat comes in last. She gives Donny a bone. Oh, naughty Mickey has hidden one of the gifts. Donny is sad.
These words have the k sound. Note that some of these words begin with a K and some with a C. Kite, key, cake, car, cat, cup. Again, listen and repeat. These words have the g sound. Gun, get, gate, gas, gap, girl,